everyone, bonjour. My name is Borsha Chakraborty and I'm residing in France. The very first reason to learn the French language is to come here because on the very first day I came to know that if I want to survive here, I have to learn the language. So that was the reason that I took a class of French, but gradually I fell in love with this beautiful language and I got the decision and I took the decision that I have to go through with that language and I took it as my profession. Now, if I'm talking about why French, nowadays in Indian job market, there is a huge demand of foreign language speaker. No, you need not to go for my words. There is Google, you can Google it up and you will see that it has increased a lot nowadays. 5 days before, 5 years before, it was not like that. But nowadays, a foreign language native speaker or a foreign language speaker can have a great opportunity in their professional sector. Among the foreign languages that are famous in Indian job market, 25% is for French. So from the statistics, you can easily understand what is the demand of this foreign language. If I'm talking about why you should learn French, I have already discussed about the first and foremost reason for taking French as your profession. That you could have earned a handsome amount of money from this by choosing this language as your profession. Second, nowadays every school is having the third language as various foreign languages like French, German. So you can take this teaching profession as well. And if you are a student of that school, so you should learn the language very well so that you can use it for your future purpose. Next, those who are working in multinational companies, working with some clients overseas, like European clients or Canadian clients, for their better understanding of the business, they should learn this language. And the last but not the least, the person who are going for Europe or other francophone countries for studies or any other thing, it is always better that you should have the knowledge of that language that is spoken there. So these are all the basic reasons that you should go for this foreign language. But according to me, as per my example, I can say that this foreign language has changed my whole life a lot, because basically as per the educational background, I'm an engineer, but after moving or switching my profession from engineering sector to this foreign language sector, I noticed a huge growth in my career because of the demand, and as well as the candidate there, the eligible candidates were not that much. Till date, it is not that much there. So there is a huge demand for this language speakers. Not only for French, but I would recommend each and every foreign languages, but mostly for French, as because the statistics says 25% demand is only for the language French. It is the world's second worldwide spoken in languages after English. Foreign languages I'm talking about. So that is all about this introductory video, and in that video I discussed about myself and why you should go for this foreign language courses, and that is all about this video. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Goodbye everyone. Take care and be safe.